This month we'll be receiving several packages from different companies. They're giving out for product reviews, and one of them is Azdome. It's a dash camera for car. So we're going to unbox and try to see what are the best features that we can get from this one. Let's go ahead and do it. Azdome or Azdom, I don't know which one is correct, as long as it sounds good. Pop it open. First look. Feels cool because you can feel that metal case. Unlike my old camera, which is made of plastic, this looks like a point-and-shoot camera that you can carry, but it's not. At the top portion, you have AV in where you can add another rear camera, but the rear camera is not included in this package. USB port to power on this camera. Screen at the bottom. 2 holes. A reset button where you can reset the settings, and of course the mic where it can pick up audio. At the right side are some controls. Oh, I powered it on. So one of the buttons there is power on. This has a built-in 200 milliamp battery. On the left side, there are more controls and where you can plug in the memory card. Next up, we're going to attach is the suction holder that can be attached on the windshield. Just slide it. Yeah, I did it right. Okay, it's simple. This can be moved 360 degrees, so it depends on which angle you want to shoot, or while you're driving, you can change that one. Good news we have here is SD card that comes with the package. Not most dash camera comes with an SD card, but this comes with it. Oops, that's the other way around. Accessories that we have in the package is the cable organizing stuff, power adapter that goes into your car, and then will power the camera. It's time to go and attach this one on the car. We are going to attach this. We have this action. It's a very easy install kind of dash camera. Toggle is one left to right, and it's going to suck into the windshield. So I'm just going to do that one, attach and then twist, and it will be locked right away. That's tight enough. It ain't gonna fall. Okay, plug our adapter into here. I'm just going to plug that cable to power it up. Okay, so here you go. It's very long cable. You need to put the cables hidden like the instructions that I'm going to show you. Okay, now where's the power? And I'm just going to power this one on. We remove that. First time you're going to boot this one, it's going to say please format the SD card. So Azdome. It basically recorded already. Okay, here are the technical specification of this M01 Pro. It is called dual dash camera because it supports dual camera, the front and the rear. But the package of M01 Pro doesn't come with the rear camera. Take note of that. This camera has 150 wide angle that you can see, like in this picture that I'm showing you right now. It is powered by a 200 milliampere battery. So if you turn off your car, it will still have power for a moment to kind of save some of the things that it needs to save, the data. It also has a 24-hour parking monitoring. Of course, if you turn off your car, then the camera will just power on for a few seconds to save the data that it has recorded, and then it will turn off. So if you want that camera to keep on recording, you need to plug it into an external power source like a power bank, like what I'm showing you right now. I'll place a link on the description below if you want to check an in-depth technical specification of the camera. You can click that one, try to check it out, and if you like it, yeah, you can go ahead and buy it. For a $63 price, this is a good buy. I hope you have learned something from this video, guys, and hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye.